If you want to change an image in Squarespace, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're updating a homepage banner, swapping out a product photo, or refreshing an image on a page, Squarespace makes it pretty easy once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account and go to the website you want to edit. From your dashboard, navigate to Website, then click Pages. This is where you'll find all the pages on your site. Now open the page that contains the image you want to change. Once the page loads, look for the Edit button in the top left corner of the page window. Click Edit to open the visual builder. This will let you make changes directly on the page so you can see exactly what you're editing. Next, find the image block you want to swap out. Squarespace uses content blocks for different elements on your site, and the image you want to replace will usually be inside one of these blocks. Click directly on the image block itself. When you do that, a small floating toolbar should appear above the image. This mini toolbar gives you quick editing options. Now look for the edit icon, which is usually shown as a pencil tool. Click that pencil icon to open the image settings. On the right side of your screen, a settings panel will slide open. This is where Squarespace gives you control over the image content and settings. In that panel, go to the Content tab. You should see your current image thumbnail there, which confirms you're editing the right one. To change the image, click Replace right next to the thumbnail. This tells Squarespace you want to swap the existing image with a new one. After that, you'll see options for choosing a replacement path. Select the source that works best for you, such as uploading a new file, choosing from your existing library, or selecting another image source depending on your setup. Once you choose your new image, Squarespace will update the block automatically. Take a moment to preview how it looks on the page. If needed, you can adjust the crop, focal point, or image display settings so it fits perfectly with the rest of your design. This step is especially useful if your new image has a different size or layout than the old one. After everything looks good, make sure to save your changes and exit the editor. That's it. You've successfully changed an image in Squarespace without needing any complicated steps or code. This is a great skill to know whether you're managing a business website, portfolio, blog, or online store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace how-to videos, and drop a comment if you want help with any other website edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.